Hello, future UI design superheroes. Are you ready to level up your Figma skills? Let's dive into the world of Figma with some fun and flair. First, the layer section. Imagine your design as a clustered closet. Layers are your clothes scattered everywhere, waiting to be organized. Think of them as individual items that make up your design. Just like how you need to sort your clothes, layers help you keep your design elements tidy and easy to find. Take a quick peek at your current Figma project. How many layers do you have? Are they organized? Take a minute to tidy them up if needed. Next, we'll talk about groups. Groups are like the hangers that keep your clothes neat. They help you combine multiple elements into a single manageable layer. This makes it easier to move or hide several elements at once. However, remember that groups can't have constraints applied directly, so they are more about organization than dynamic behavior. Use groups to keep related elements together, like a logo or a symbol made up of multiple shades. Now, let's talk about frames. Frames are the shelves that organize the whole setup. They are essential for creating structured design and can have constraints applied to control how elements resize. Frames can be nested, allowing for complex layout, and they support features like layout grids and also auto layout. Think of a frame as a container for your design element. You can add constraints to keep elements aligned or scaled within the frame. Now to constraints. Constraints are like the invisible rubber bands that keep your elements in place. They define how layers behave when their parent frame is resized. Without constraints, resizing can be chaotic. With them, it's magic. You can set constraints to keep elements aligned to the top, bottom, left, right, or center. Or even you can scale them proportionally. And finally, auto layout. Auto layout is like having a highly efficient assistant who perfectly arrange your design elements. It automatically aligns objects and components so they respond well to different screen sizes. With auto layout, you can create flexible, responsive designs without manually adjusting each element. Wants to create a simple navbar using auto layout. Here you go. We would have our text ready if we are a logo, and also we set all the parameters right. You would notice that everything that we have discussed in this class, layers, group, frames, constraints, and all are being used when we are designing a navbar using auto layout. So keep practicing, keep designing, and most importantly, have fun. To learn more about Figma, visit the link in the comments and join our live class on Saturday. See you there. Cheers.